my subscribers. So welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany, so thank you so much for tuning in. So as the title of this video, y'all, today is another ivybox unboxing. So this is April, y'all, and I'm really glad that I received it in April, in the actual month. But I really heard a lot of good things about this month's box, like the items that are in here. So I'm really super excited about seeing what they sent us for this month. So if I have anyone new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this unboxing, continue watching. So if you are just now tuning in to my unboxing, so this is kind of, I think, the same box from last unboxing that I did for the March one. So let's open and see what's inside. Okay, like I said, I always love the wrapping paper. I never want to rip it, but hey, I have to. But yeah, so I love the wrapping paper. So y'all, let's see. Ooh, so whatever this is, of course I'm going to get the card to read what's in this box, but I'm liking it already, you guys. So for the theme of the month of April, the theme is after the rain comes the rainbow. I really like that. I like that. And what's in the box? So we got an AKA color block pullover jacket. We have a 1908 color block utility crossbody bag, and then we have a SKEE-WEE face covering. So ooh, I really like this, y'all. Okay, so I think I'm gonna probably start with the face covering first. Okay, so let me take this out. Y'all, this is really cute. SKEE-WEE. Actually, to be honest, I've been needing some more face covering, more like cotton ones, because what I have like just black ones, like the disposable ones that you can throw away. So I really like this, y'all. So it's a SKEE-WEE, so I can't wait to wear it. I really like this. Okay, so on. Ooh, this is really cute, y'all. It's the crossover 1908 bag. I really like this. This is super cute. Like, I could probably use this as like a fanny pack or something. Let me see what's inside here. Ooh, y'all, let me show you the straps. Okay, let me undo this. Okay, so for this strap is just a basic little white strap, and it has pink, you know, clip thingies, however you call them. And then the next one on here, the other strap is AKA, as you can see. So y'all, I'm gonna clip it on and see. Yeah, y'all, this is really cute. I like this. Yeah, this is really cute. You know what would have been really cute? If they probably would have gave us like a pink one, like this color that you see on here. I mean, this is really cute. I probably really could wear it as like a little fanny pack as well, because I do have where I can adjust the strap. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Yeah, I probably could wear this as like a little fanny pack, y'all. But I really like this. Yeah, this crossbody bag is super cute. So yeah. So if any of my sorors that subscribe to my channel, comment below on the crossbody bag. I really like this a lot. Okay, y'all, so this is my last final item out of this month's Ivy box. Y'all, I really like this too. It's a pullover. It says AKA in the front. The sleeves feel so good. Like, it really feels like I would kind of use this for kind of like a rain jacket, I would probably say. But I mean, of course, I'm gonna wear it for anything else. But yeah, so it has like little Velcro things right here, and then your zipper. I really like the different zippers, and then also they have like a pocket in the front so you can put like just different stuff. I'm not gonna put this one on because I mean, to be honest, I don't want to get my makeup all over it. So yeah, so I'm not putting this one on. So I really like the items in this box this month. So yeah, so this is the pullover. Okay, y'all, so that is it for April's Ivy box unboxing, y'all. I really like these items that they sent us this month, so I would definitely say a 10 out of 10 on this month's box. So like as always, I love you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.